Abdul Mujib from Nigeria.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Salam wa rahmatullah.
Now, a toilet was recently converted into a laundry. So most of the fittings were removed, like the basin, the WC, but some other things were left. So can we still say the prayers before entering and exiting the place, or we still have to forget about the prayer since it has been converted to a laundry?
I did not understand your question. Are you asking about the area where it used to be a toilet and now it's not a toilet anymore?
Yes.
Okay, if an area used to be a toilet, but there is no commode, there is no toilet seat, there is no drainage, and we use it as a washing room for washing machines, for cleaning clothes, I don't have to say the dua of entering a toilet because I'm not answering the call of nature, and this is not a toilet. And if I would like to pray there, I can pray there because there is nothing to prevent me from doing my prayer there, and I hope this answers your question.